So this is a small set of file. So this file I have in my desktop. Okay. Now, so if I want to read this file from the desktop to BODS, so if I want to scan this data into BODS, then so what it will, if we want to run, if we want to extract the data from flat file, then we need to go to formats, and that is an Excel file. So that's why here I am creating a new format. It is in desktop. This is my folder. So if I try to search for that file, see, so it is showing my desktop, and I'm able to get this file open. And you should make sure that you need to go with worksheet. Worksheet is nothing but a sheet in your Excel file, and try to select the proper sheet. So if you have 10 sheet, you can extract 10 sheet of the data, but make sure that which sheet you are selecting. And so this is the option I am checking just because of my first line is in header. So now I'm importing the schema over here. Now see, if you see, I got my structure. This is the structure in my file. Okay, so now I got that file over here. I'm just trying to create the file to scan the data from desktop to BODS. Now I'm creating one sample job. See, in BODS we can create two type of jobs. One is batch job, and the second one is real-time job. So most of everyone's career, they can create only batch job. No one will go with the real-time job. So this is for a real-time purpose. So I'll explain about in detail about all this in future, I mean coming days. But as a sample, I'm just dumping the data into one table. So here I have different sources. I'm selecting one source, one database. So here we have different data sources. These all different data sources are connected to different databases. So I'm selecting some particular database. I need to check whether the selected data store is in working progress or not. Let me check and I execute this. So here now I'm executing this job. So this data store is not working. This data store is not working. Which one is working? DB author. See, if you see that, as of now, I have the data till here. I just scan the data over here. Now I dumped the data into particular database table. So if you can see here, so I got the data over here. So it came from source to our BODS. So now we can transform the data based on the business requirement, transformation rules. Then if they are giving specific database to load the database and database table, so with that, so we can load our data into the specific database tables. So who asked, I mean, about execution, small set of execution. So are you clear that? So we have the data in source and we got the data over here.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank
So
you.
this is a small set of, I can say, very basic set of thing, like extracting, I mean, how we are scanning the different location data into BODs. So once you scan over there, so from here you can transpose the data, you can transform the data as per the business requirement. Because of this, ETL tool is the best tool for this kind of ETL activities. Any further questions? So are you good with that demo? Can I close? If you have any questions, let me know.
What type of companies will have this process? Like, which companies will follow?
So
Where we can
most,
get?
I can say 90% of the companies, so who and all are using SAP. If SAP is there in that company, definitely BODS is there. Definitely 200%. So now I can say all these kind of database projects, database companies where they are storing in database, they all are moving to SAP. So SAP itself, it is a big world ocean, I can say. So now all the companies are migrating to, not I can say all, but most of the companies are migrating to SAP. So in future, the whole world is going to become SAP. So I mean, I can say any few of the people heard about SAP, right? Anyone knows about SAP? Did you get chance to hear SAP word in your career or in your, I mean, either past or now? Anyone, at least one person? No answer? Either yes or no?
Yes. Okay.
Hmm. Yeah, that's right. So I mean, most of the companies are moving to from database to SAP. So that's why if they are moving to SAP, definitely for the transformation, for the, I mean, migration from database to SAP, definitely we need BODS tool. I can say BODS tool is very easy tool, but we should don't neglect that tool. So if you're neglecting, like, I can learn very easily, then you know where you will get the videos also, even in YouTube also, like Java.NET. So if you Google somewhere, definitely you will get the information. But for BODS, you will get the less information. But nowadays, BODS with data migration, I mean, data integration, everything, it is a hot cake in the market. Yeah, that's it from my side as a demo, guys. If you have any further question, then we can take it out, or else we can close the call. Mahesh, you are there?
Yes, Kumar. Yes. So anyone else having any other questions? If not, we are going to conclude for today.
Hmm.
Yeah.
But is anyone over here so currently working, or all are just passed out from their graduations or post graduations? So why I'm saying is, like, try to respond, like, either whether it is yes or no. So if someone asking question, then if you are trying to respond, then it will become a habit for you, and it will be helpful for your career a lot. If yes, say yes. If no, say no. If you understand, say yes. If not, say no. Okay, someone saying, like, someone pinging. Okay, if you're unable to hear properly, sorry, I mean, whether it is your I mean, network issue or my network issue. Maybe others are able to hear me properly, I guess. Anvesh Tripalli, you are unable to hear me, right? Okay, you are unable to unmute. Okay, okay. So got it. Okay, nice, nice, nice. Somehow you are responding over here. Because responding to someone else is very good habit nowadays. Not nowadays, it is very important for IT student, IT employee.
Here we will have chance for fresher to experience, or only experience will have more preference.
No, no, not like that. Experience will have more different. I mean, more opportunity. You are saying about the opportunity, right?
Yes, yes.
Getting the job. So that is not like that. It is completely dependent on you and your capable and how strong you are, how good you are in the subject as well as the communications. So if you are very good, if you have a lot of confidence, whether you know the subject or not, but if you have a lot of confidence, definitely you will get the job very easily. So all are just matter of your confidence. So that's why I'm pushing you people here to try to speak something. Whether it is your mother tongue, I mean, all are able to hear. I mean, you are all people are from different parts of India or belongs to Andhra, something like Kannada, Andhra, Hyderabad or something. So whatever the language you know, see if I'm able to understand that language, I'll try to reply back. If
Kumar,
not, then we'll try to.
Kumar, sorry for the interrupt. We have
Yeah, no worries.
different kinds of yeah, like
Hmm.
the people from different locations, so we can
Okay, okay.
communicate in
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's why I'm asking these people, like, at least try to convey the message, whether it is correct, the way you are communicating is correct or not. Don't bother that. Leave the shy over here. Start building your confidence from the day, from the now itself. Okay.
Yes, guys, this is the right platform to interact with the team. So if we can
Hmm.
interact with the sessions, maybe we will get some confidence. Even if we can, track our interviews and all. So that is very helpful to enter into an SAP market. That is very important. This is our best suggestion. So if any other questions, please let us know. So, or else we are going to conclude for today.
Yeah, hello Kumar.
Srini.
Hello.
Yeah, yes,
Yeah,
Srini.
I
Srini,
have a
right?
yes. I have a query on BODs. Actually, if I want to learn BODs, do we need any require additional languages like C or Oracle?
No, no, no. So not like that. But so if we are, I can say, to be frank, I can say, so if we are good at Excel, first one is Excel, and second one is Oracle, or to write a small kind of queries, then it will be add on to your career, I can say.
Yeah, okay.
So a kind of a small kind of like, see why I'm saying Excel is, once you are into so IT and when you are working with the BODS, there may be a chance you need to use the source as files also, Excel files also. Somewhere you need to do manual work. So that kind of thing. That's why I'm saying. So a little bit exposure on Excel and Oracle SQL queries.
Okay.
I mean to say, like, you should not be in a very good in those kind of stuff, but at least basics.
Okay. Okay. Thanks,
But if you
Kumar.
don't know also, then it is not a big deal. That very rare cases you are going to use those. But it is
Okay.
add-on advantage for you if you have any this kind of stuff also. But
Okay, Kumar.
once you started your career in BODS, slowly once you are into the job, slowly you will get chance to work with SAP and learn something about SAP also. So, I mean, slowly if you're building your career in SAP also along with BODS, then that can be very really helpful for your career for growing high levels.
Okay. Okay,
And
Kumar. Thank you.
Vikram, you have some queries you can talk. Kumar, Vikram having some queries. Please talk to me. You want to talking to me. So, if you can.
Vikram, hello Vikram. So he want to speak offline or
Yes, Vikram wants to talk.
Okay. Mahesh, you can share
Vikram,
my
are you there?
contact. Vikram, he's on mute. Vikram, you are in mute.
No, no,
If you are saying something, then we are unable to hear you. Mahesh, I mean, if you get chance, like if you have my contact details or Sunny's contact details, you can share that details with Vikram. Then he can reach out to us. We can speak.
no. That I will tell you. I will let you know.
Okay,
So,
okay. Fine, fine.
yeah. I'm going to conclude for today. If there are any queries, and our team will get back to you guys, and we need some feedback on the same question. So, thank you for your opinion. At the same time, I'm going to say thanks to Kumar. I will update the
Thank you,
team.
Mahesh.
Thank you so much. Have a good day.
Thank you all. Thank you.
Yeah,
Now
thank you,
this is
Kumar.
the
Thank
correct.
you.
Yeah, this is the correct time. Choose the right path. Don't waste time. And all the best for your careers.
Okay, thanks, Kumar.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Kumar.